In this video, we're walking through the proper installation of the Shurjoint M07 coupling. Before getting started, make sure you have all the required tools and components ready. This includes your M07 coupling, appropriate fittings, sealing materials, and standard installation tools. Do not disassemble the coupling at any time. Always verify compatibility with your system specifications before proceeding. Begin by shutting down the system and relieving all pressure. Drain any remaining fluid to ensure a safe working environment. Inspect the pipe ends. The exterior surface of the pipe ends must be free from any indentations, roll marks, or other harmful surface defects. Use a Shurjoint pie tape measure to check that the grooves are correct. Inaccurate dimensions lead to inaccurate results. Make sure to measure the inner groove of the pipe first, and then the outer flare of the pipe to ensure that the keys will line up. If they do not meet up, do not use the pipe. The next step is to check and make sure that the A dimension is clean. If not, that can create a leak path. If there is a cut in the groove, the pipe will rust and also cause a leak. Grab a green Brillo pad and clean up any uneven marks. If assembling the M07 onto grooved stainless steel pipe, ensure the proper rollers or dies were used. Before installation, make sure the gasket is fully seated in the coupling. Check the gasket. Verify the gasket supplied is correct for the intended service. For systems with an operating temperature of 150 degrees Fahrenheit and above, or 32 degrees Fahrenheit and below, Shurjoint EHC lubricant, or equal silicone lubricant, is required. The gasket does not need to be removed for lubrication. If you have not already done so, lubricate the inside housing of the gasket. Install the coupling onto the grooved pipe end, align the center axis of the gasket with the grooved fitting, and apply even pressure on the coupling until the gasket is seated onto the pipe. For this video, we are installing a Shurjoint flange onto the M07 coupling. Apply a small amount of lubricant to the flange. Rotate the coupling back and forth to ensure the gasket lip is not pinched against the center leg and seated fully onto the outer lip of the pipe. There is a gap seal gasket to prevent us from pushing beyond a certain point. Proper alignment is critical to avoid unnecessary stress on the connections. Next, tighten the exposed nut on the M07 coupling with an impact or socket wrench until metal-to-metal contact occurs between the two housing segments and the wedge, and then take it another quarter turn. Tighten all connections according to recommended torque specifications. Finally, remove the excess bulk from the bolt. Once installed, double-check all connections and confirm that the M07 is securely mounted. Review the latest Shurjoint M07 written installation guide by heading to our website.